Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram bio glitch. If you're experiencing a glitch with Instagram bio where changes are not being saved or displayed correctly, you can try the following steps to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A poor connection can prevent changes from being saved properly. Also, try updating your Instagram app. Go to your Play Store. On the top, there's a search icon layer. Search Instagram and select the Instagram app. Open it and make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve issue with the app. Also try clearing the app cache. Go back, press the Instagram app like this, go to the app information, select stories and cache, and on the bottom clear cache option is displaying, select that. And like this can sometimes resolve the issue, or if this not works, then restart your device. Sometimes restarting your phone can resolve temporary glitches with app including the Instagram. Or you could also use a different internet connection. If you have access to another internet connection, example mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, try accessing that as well. Or also go back and you can also try reinstalling the Instagram if none of the steps work. You can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app, and this can sometimes fix the persistent issues. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix Instagram biotech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.